Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to print and export drawing in Revit. So let's start. So in previous lecture already we have created the sheet and title block. Now I will show you how to print this sheet. So for that what you have to do, in file tab or file menu, from here you have to just take the cursor near to this print. Here you will get the option print setup. Hit on that. First of all we have to do the setting here. So in print setup, printer Microsoft print to PDF name. So from here you have to select the default only. Now paper size, letter and different. So what paper size you want, so you can select it from here. Now when you come in this orientation, here you will get two options, portrait or landscape. Landscape orientation is what? Remember, here landscape orientation refers to a display or layout format where the width of an image, document or screen is greater than its height. Okay, that is called as a landscape orientation. Second is portrait orientation. Portrait orientation is the opposite of landscape. It refers to a display or layout format where the height of an image, documents or screen is greater than its width. Okay, so which type of orientation you want, you can select. So I have selected here landscape orientation. Okay, now from here you will get one more option, paper placement, where you want to place the paper. Center, okay, you want to see the drawing center, so hit on center. Otherwise from here you can give the offset also, what you want. Okay, so I want to see in center, so hit on center. Getting? Now see one more option here, you will get hidden line views. Remove line using vector processing, raster processing. So first try to understand what is vector processing in Revit. So vector processing involves the manipulation and handling of vector based graphic elements within the software. Okay, this involves tasks such as creating, modifying and managing vector graphics, which are essential for creating detailed architecture design, floor plans, section, elevation and other technical drawing within the Revit environment. Okay, and this next option is given raster processing. So in Revit, this raster processing involves handling a raster based image or graphics within the software. Okay, this can include tasks such as importing, managing and potential editing raster image like JPEGs, PNGs or other bitmap format within your Revit project. Okay, so here you have to select one more thing here you have to remember, that Revit will use the raster printing because this view uses shading, shadows, point cloud, sketchy line, depth, queuing, gradients or coordination model. Okay, so just select the raster processing. Now from here, when you have selected raster processing, you can change the raster quality as per your requirement. Okay, I have selected high. Now you can change the color from here, grayscale, color, black line, so whatever. Now in the next option, zoom. If you want to fit your drawing page in fit to page, so you have to select fit to page. Okay, otherwise zoom option is also given, how much you want to zoom the drawing. Okay, so I want to fit my drawing into the page. Okay, so I have selected fit to page. Now in this option here you can see this different option is given, like suppose if you have created in your drawing, if you have created a scope box, you want to hide that scope box, so you have to check it, hide crop boundary. Okay, suppose in your this suppose the crop boundary is also there but it is not visible here, you want to hide suppose, so you have to hit on hide crop boundary and every option is given, hide reference or work plane. Okay, after that from here hit on save and then okay. Now print, you can press the shortcut also, control P. Otherwise what you have to do, from here file menu, uh, here directly when you hit on when you take the cursor near to print, Your option will be given print, or you can use the shortcut control P, hit on that. So when you hit on that print, here you will get one more dialog box. In that, first you have to select the name. So always remember, select Microsoft Print to PDF, because I want to convert this drawing in PDF. Okay. Now status ready, everything is given here. Now from here you can change the at what which location you want to save the drawing. You can change it from here. So suppose I want to save, hit on browse. I want to save the drawing in desktop with the name what, architecture. Remember the name, okay? Architecture home plan. I have given the name architecture home plan. Now see, the file of type is in PDF. Save it in desktop. See, I have selected the location desktop, save it. Okay, see, I have changed the. Now in print range, you can see current window. You want to print the current window, so check current window. Visible portion of current window, selected view. No, I want to print the current window, whatever it is visible here in sheet. So select current window. Okay, after doing this all setting, you have to hit on setup. Okay, when you hit on setup, again you will they will show you the print setup dialog box. Again hit on OK, then finally hit on. If you want to see the preview, you can see the preview also from here. Hit on preview. Now see how it's this sheet will look in PDF file. Okay, so this is the preview. So from here you can close the preview if you don't want to see. Okay, now I want to print this, press the Control P, then finally hit on OK. Now where you want to save, in desktop, whatever name you have given, as I have given architecture home plan na? Okay, so select the location desktop, save it. Now that file is saved in your desktop. Okay, if you want to see here I have saved that file with the name architecture home plan. Just open it. Now you can share this file to anyone. Okay, now it is in PDF form. So in this way you have to convert the sheet in PDF. Okay, now same way, suppose if you want to export this sheet in image form, okay, that option is also available here. How? See, in file menu only, here export option is given. Just take the mouse near to export. Now from this list you have to just hit on, scroll down. Here you will get the option images and animation. From here you have to select the image. Now see, from here you can change the location, name, whatever. So okay, change it. Suppose I want to save with the name images, or any name you can give it as per your requirement. Okay, or like home plan image. Okay, see, the files of type is given jpg, png, tif. Okay, so you can get the different files. So from here just hit on save. Now export range, always select as a current window. From here you can increase the image size, fit to what pixel, you can increase it as per your requirement. Okay, see, the file format is given jpeg, medium. In option bar, if you want to hide this all thing, just check it, and finally hit on OK. So now the image is ready. If you want to see that image, just minimize from here. Now see, in desktop, here you will get the home plan image. Now you can share this image to anyone. Okay, so in this way we have to export the sheet drawing in image also, and in this way you have to. So this is all about how to print and export drawing in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next